Welcome to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create an AliExpress account in 2025. It's easy, free, and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the AliExpress website or app first. Open your browser and go to aliexpress.com or open the AliExpress mobile app if you're using a phone. On the homepage, look for the account icon or a sign-in/register button, usually in the top right corner. Click or tap it. Step 2. Choose sign-up method. AliExpress gives you a few options to register. You can sign up with your email address or use Google, Facebook, Apple, or TikTok to sign in instantly. For this tutorial, we'll sign up using an email. Step 3. Fill out the registration form. Enter your email address, then create a secure password. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Create Account or Continue. You may be asked to drag a slider to verify you're not a bot. Complete the puzzle. Step 4. Email verification. AliExpress will send a verification code to your email. Go to your inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the AliExpress page. Then click Submit. Step 5. Your account is ready. That's it. You're now logged into your new AliExpress account. You can update your shipping address, set your currency and language preferences, and start shopping right away. Bonus tip. Before you buy anything, make sure to check for welcome coupons or new user discounts. AliExpress often offers up to 60% off on your first order. And that's how to create an AliExpress account in 2025. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick and clear tech and app tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments. I respond fast.